the pyramids of Egypt. These colossal structures have captivated humanity for millennia. Towering over the desert sands, they stand as testaments to the ingenuity and power of the ancient Egyptians. But how did they do it? How did a civilization lacking modern technology construct such awe-inspiring monuments? The sheer scale of these projects, the precision of their construction, and the mysteries surrounding their purpose continue to baffle and intrigue us today. For centuries, scholars, archaeologists, and adventurers have grappled with the question of how the pyramids were built. Countless theories have been proposed, some more plausible than others. Were these monuments the product of backbreaking labor by thousands of slaves, as depicted in Hollywood movies? Or did the Egyptians possess some long-lost knowledge, some secret technology that allowed them to move and shape massive stones with seeming ease? The allure of the pyramids lies not only in their grandeur, but also in the mysteries they hold. While some aspects of their construction are well understood, others remain shrouded in enigma. The true purpose of these colossal structures, for example, continues to be debated. Were they simply elaborate tombs for deceased pharaohs, or did they serve some other, perhaps more profound function? As we delve into the secrets of the pyramids, we must separate fact from fiction, evidence from speculation. Join us as we explore the prevailing theories surrounding their construction, examine the archaeological evidence, and ponder the enduring enigmas of these ancient wonders. Prepare to be amazed by the ingenuity of the ancient Egyptians, and perhaps to have your own perceptions challenged. When confronted with feats of engineering as astonishing as the pyramids, it's tempting to invoke explanations from beyond our world. Theories abound about extraterrestrial intervention. While entertaining, they lack credible evidence. The true wonder lies in human ingenuity. Certain aspects of construction remain perplexing. The precision of alignment is astounding. How did they achieve such accuracy? And the intricate internal passages? Their purpose continues to puzzle researchers. Understanding the pyramids is a journey into ancient minds. It's a testament to their intelligence and dedication. By examining evidence and techniques, we unravel these ancient marvels. Let's set aside alien notions and focus on grounded explanations. Exploring traditional theories reveals the Egyptians' ingenuity. From there, we can consider alternative theories and formulate our own hypotheses. The most widely accepted theory about pyramid construction centers around the use of ramps and a massive labor force. According to this theory, enormous ramps made of earth, brick, and timber were used to haul the massive stone blocks up the pyramid's sides. These ramps would have been extended and adjusted as the pyramid grew taller, eventually reaching the apex. Thousands of laborers, both skilled and unskilled, would have been needed to quarry, transport, and lift the heavy stones. Teams of men would have dragged the blocks on sleds, using rollers and levers to reduce friction and maneuver them into place. Copper chisels, wooden mallets, and abrasive sands were likely employed to shape and smooth the stones, achieving the tight, precise fit that characterizes pyramid construction. This traditional view of pyramid construction, while plausible, raises its own set of questions. The sheer size and scale of the ramps required would have been immense, requiring vast amounts of material and labor to construct. Moreover, the logistics of coordinating such a massive workforce and ensuring the smooth flow of materials and labor would have been a monumental task. Despite these challenges, the ramp theory remains the most widely supported explanation for pyramid construction. Archaeological evidence, such as remnants of ramps discovered at some pyramid sites, lends credence to this view. Furthermore, experiments conducted using modern replicas of ancient Egyptian tools and techniques have demonstrated the feasibility of moving and lifting large stones using ramps and human power. Section 4. Echoes of the Past, Evidence in the Sand. The Egyptian desert, once a bustling hub of activity surrounding the construction of the pyramids, now holds silent testimony to the methods employed by these ancient engineers. Archaeologists have unearthed remnants of ramps, workers' villages and quarries, providing valuable insights into the processes involved in pyramid construction. At the site of the Great Pyramid of Giza, for example, traces of a massive ramp system have been discovered. These ramps, constructed of layers of compacted earth, rubble and mud brick, would have extended for hundreds of meters, gradually sloping upwards towards the pyramid's summit. The discovery of these ramps provides tangible evidence supporting the traditional theory of pyramid construction. Further evidence comes from the discovery of workers' villages near the pyramid complexes. These villages housed the thousands of laborers involved in the construction process, providing shelter, food, and other necessities. The presence of these organized settlements suggests a highly structured and well-managed workforce, essential for undertaking such massive construction projects. The quarries from which the stones were extracted also offer clues about the methods employed by the ancient Egyptians. Marks left by tools, such as copper chisels and wooden wedges, indicate the techniques used to cut and shape the massive blocks. The discovery of unfinished blocks, abandoned mid-construction, provides a glimpse into the step-by-step process of stone extraction and transportation. Section 5. Inside out and upside down, challenging conventions. While the traditional view of ramps and manual labor holds considerable sway, alternative theories about pyramid construction continue to captivate the imagination. Some researchers, questioning the feasibility of the ramp theory, propose that the Egyptians employed internal ramps built within the pyramid itself to move the stones upward. Proponents of this theory argue that internal ramps would have been more efficient, requiring less material and labor than external ramps. They suggest that these ramps could have been dismantled and reused as the pyramid grew taller, leaving no trace on the finished structure. Another intriguing theory proposes that the Egyptians used a form of cast stone rather than quarrying and shaping massive blocks. This theory suggests that a type of geopolymer concrete made from limestone aggregate and a binding agent was poured into molds to create the pyramid stones. Advocates point to the uniform size and shape of many pyramid blocks as evidence supporting this theory. Perhaps the most unconventional theory involves the use of sound technology. Some researchers speculate that the Egyptians possessed the ability to levitate heavy stones using sound waves or vibrations. They point to ancient texts that mention the use of sound in construction and healing as evidence supporting this notion. However, this theory lacks concrete scientific evidence and remains highly speculative.